Hi everyone, Marion Emberson here. First of all, little disclaimer, I don't think these are available. These are, but I don't think these are. So if anyone says like, oh, I love that set, it was a Catherine Polar exclusive, I believe. They might put them on their website later. I will search for them. Fright Night, stamp set and dies. But I had them, I wanted to play with them. So what am I going to do? We're going to do a bit of foiling. And if you haven't got a laminator or an iron or a heat tool and you want to do some foiling, you can do it with double-sided adhesive sheets. So easy. You can also do it with a pen, a glue pen. And that's what's lovely about the Wow Fab foil is it's not like the hot foil. If you put that down on something, the whole thing comes out, whereas this doesn't. This will only go, it was designed for toner. So they do the Fab foilers, which are toner sheets in patterns and in solids. Perfect for that. But also it's great on double-sided. So I had a little idea for a quick card. I don't often do Halloween cards or, you know, spooky cards or anything, but I'm going to for my little girls this year and my little boys because they go out on Halloween. So and then I want to try something. Of course I do. So I am going to use the little pumpkin from here, because I thought these foils that I've got, these Fab foils, we've got Metal Marmalade. Let me just show you. Metal Marmalade, which is just gorgeous. I'm just going to move my camera a bit. Hang on. Let's just see if I can. It seems to be drooping. Stop drooping. There we go. Let's just see if that works. Okay. So, Metal Marmalade, Peruvian gold. This is so different to our other gold. And then Deepest, Darkest Crimson. That came from when we was doing Paddington Bear. That was because he's from Deepest, Darkest Peru. So, and we was naming them, and Richard come up and he went, how about Deepest, Darkest Crimson? It's like, okay. That's how we think. Anyway... Right, so what am I going to do? I have got my Lawn Fawn double-sided adhesive. Have I got? Oh, yeah, no, I sealed them into this. Oh, look, there's all my die cuts as well. I did some classes in the States at a trade show, which was fun. And I don't know how many I'm going to need. Probably only need two, actually. These are all my spare bits that I always keep with me. So let me just put that. Oh, stick it over there. Right, and I've got a piece of Wow cardstock. So, if I take one bit off, and I'm just going to stick it to my cardstock. Like so. And then, oh no, I don't want to peel that off yet. Or do I? Yeah, why not? I mean, what am I going to get out of it? Let's have a look. 1, maybe 2, 3, 4. Oh, okay, let's have a look. So, if I open, let's go Deepest, Darkest Crimson. First of all, now the Wow foil, can't talk this morning. Wow foil is 1 metre long, that's 39 inches by 4 inches wide. So you get a lot. I'm just going to trim off some of that. In fact, I probably only need half of that. And then keep that with it, pop it back in, because you don't want to lose it. Or I might have just knocked that with me. See, I can see a line on there. Well, we'll see. We'll see what happens. So let me just peel that off. Oh, okay. One thing to know. If you stick it down, as soon as you've stuck it down, that's it. You cut. So I weren't meant to go wonky like that. But I have. So never mind. So just make sure you got it in the right place. Let's do a bit of metal marmalade. Same thing. I can probably just snip. Oh, I don't know if I'm wide enough on that bit, am I? Let's have a look. I can always add more. It don't matter, does it? It don't matter. Right. Try and stick this down. Oh, I'm going to do 2 bits anyway because I've gone wonky. Right. So there we go. And you can smooth it out once it's down. And I think just to save myself from my thing getting messy, I'm just going to trim this and then I'm going to run it through my Big Shot. I'll be back. Look at these. They're just beautiful. Got a little bubble in that one. Probably should have flattened it out a little bit better. That's okay. They're pumpkins. They can look like that. So what have I got? I've got 2 of each colour at the moment. Now, I was wondering though, if I was to take the pumpkin stamp. Let's have a look. Because they look nice like that, don't they? They do look nice like that. And I'm going to try it on this one because it's the darkest one. Am I in shot? Yeah. Don't even know if I'm in shot. Oh, only just. Sorry if I've been out of shot. I've got this new camera holder and I've got it so that I can do lives because it can twist and turn, unlike myself. Right, so a bit of that on there. Now, let me just see. Hopefully, you're not getting my head in the way. I'm wondering if I should have done this on my Sizzix stamp tool. Oh, okay. No, you can see that. You can't maybe, but I can. Look. Let's see if I can. Yeah. Actually, I quite like how it gives it a bit of texture. It's not completely smooth. Whether that's because it's going onto this like really ultra shiny card or foil as such. I'm going to move my camera again. I'm going to have to go back to my old camera, I think. So let me see what it's going to look like on a gold one. Lots of ink. Okay. Line it up, give or take. Oh, I think I've missed that. I can see a bit of the top sticking out. Oh, do you know what? It makes them look really realistic, actually. Because honestly, look at that. I think that looks really cool. It looks like I've done an effect on it, and I haven't. not knowingly. Right, let me go ahead and just do those others. Not sure how long this is going to take to dry, though. I might leave those 3 blank. Or, you know, I could draw on them. What's this pen? This is my precision pen. It's waterproof, it's fade proof. So let me go something like that. And then that. actually prefer that. I really prefer that to that. That's because I'm no good at drawing. But, actually, I wonder how quick. Oh, let me grab a baby wipe. How quick is it? Oh, yeah. Okay. Right. Okay. They're going to take a while to dry. I will give them a zap with the heat tool just to help them dry. And then I'll put them together. In fact, I might zap this because some of the foils I've done before where I've heated them and they've sort of done something. Let me try it. Let me see what happens. So look, we've got texture on them. Let me pick this one up. So it went, I should have left one really smooth. Can you see that texture now? Got all those little wrinkly lines. I think it might be the double-sided under... No, because it's heat resist, the double-sided. So don't even think that, Marin, it's not that. But it looks great. They all look great. Okay, so I don't know, as I say, I don't know if these are going to be... This was probably the wettest. If I just... It's dry. No, that one ain't. Just when I thought. That one is. So just that one. Let's see if that little zap. Okay, so what was I going to do? Let's just do a couple of quick cards. I'm probably going to do them very, very similar. Excuse me. A little frog in my throat. Look, I love that. Love you, boo. That is cute. That's okay for pumpkins, isn't it? Don't matter, does it? Or shall I have Happy Halloween on there? Shall I do Happy Halloween? Let's do Happy Halloween. But I could do on the inside, sorry about that noise, I could do Love You Boo on the inside of the card for my little grandchildren. Not that the boys can read. So if I do it that side because that's got something on it. If I do a little Happy Halloween here and then have them do doop. Shall I do that in the black? Do you know what I might use? Oh, what have I got? What about Mandarin spice? If I do it in the orange, I'm probably going to mess this up now. Let's have a look. Happy Halloween. I hope I'm in shot. I'm probably out of shot, sorry. I've got to go back to my other camera. Not my other camera, my other camera holder. Okay, that's all right. Cool. All right, so we've got that one. And then I was thinking of doing, sort of just having them sort of like so. Like that. I might sort of link them under one another. Like so, like so. And then I might draw a little coming off of it. So I'm going to put them on pads. Let me just stick it on a pad. Like so. Look, how simple is that for my grandchildren? Happy Halloween. Just simple. I might, if I can find them, put googly eyes on there. They'd like that. Because who says pumpkins can't have googly eyes? But that looks cool, doesn't it? Oh, get that little bit off. Not sure what that is. Love it. Really simple, but effective. So I might as well do the other side. I wonder if I've done, hang on. if I did, I could do it like that, just coming down. Now, I always feel like the darkest one should go at the bottom. It's like it balances it out, doesn't it? Oh, don't know if I like that. Do you know, I like them. I feel like I need more. I feel like I need a few more along there. I might do that. Okay, so what I'm going to do a couple more, and I might stamp a couple of them and leave a couple of them plain like this. So I will show you in a moment. Okay, look, there we go. How quick and simple was those? Were they? Can't speak. Me curly whirly things could have been a bit better. I'd done it a bit quick. I'm not great at drawing, as you can tell. But, you know, quick, simple. Didn't have to get my laminator out. Didn't have to turn my iron on. Because, yes, you can do all that with the Well Fab foil. But, yeah, no, I'm really pleased with those. I hope you like them. Thanks ever so much for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.